Hello, I'm Aravind, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Hyderabad. Today, I'm going to show you how to reduce the number of logs generated by your AWS Glue job. Let's get started. There are three ways to reduce the number of logs that your AWS Glue jobs generate. 1. You can choose the standard filter setting for continuous logging. 2. Use the set log level Apache Spark context method. 3. You can use the log4j.properties custom file. Let's start with changing the continuous logging setting. You can either turn off continuous logging on your AWS Glue job to reduce the number of logs that AWS Glue writes to CloudWatch, or you can change the log filtering option for continuous logging to standard. The standard filter removes the Spark logs that aren't useful. To turn on the standard filter option, navigate to the AWS command line interface or AWS Cloud Shell. Run the following command to enable standard filter for continuous CloudWatch logging. After you run the command, check the all logs log group to see there are only a few log streams created. Note that AWS Glue continuous logging is available only in AWS Glue version 4.0 and earlier. Now I'll show you how to use the Spark context method. To programmatically set the logging level, run this code with set log level. Valid levels include all, debug, error, fatal, info, off, trace, and warn. After you run the code, check the error log group to see debug log being pushed to CloudWatch. And finally, let's use a custom log4j.properties file to reduce the number of logs. For AWS Glue version 3.0, you can customize logging with the log4j.properties file. For version 4.0 and later, use log4j2.properties instead. Create the properties file with your desired settings, for example. Then upload the file to Amazon Simple Storage Service. Make sure to note the URI. To turn off continuous logging, add the extra files parameter and include the S3 URI when you're defining your job. After you run the command, check the error log group. So now you know how to reduce the number of logs that your AWS Glue generates. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.